Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade. Today I'm coming at you with a card share video, and I'm joining hashtag 2crafters1design and hashtag SatMoreMakes. Hashtag 2crafters1design is Melissa, who's Mo Creations here on YouTube, Lisa, who's You See I'm a Diva, also on YouTube, and Gloria, who's Girlier's Card, also here on YouTube. SatMoreMakes is Jill. She's Jillian Norwood Design, Greenwood Girl Cards here on YouTube. So hashtag SatMoreMakes, Jill wants you to create designs and then upload them on Saturday morning. For 2Crafters1Design, they give you a theme each week and ask you to upload your video on Saturday to show what you created using their theme. So I'm a little late. This is from last week theme, which is Mother's Day. So I have a few Mother's Day cards that I created for a friend who needed a few cards for Mother's Day. So let me share with you some of the items I used. I used these petite bows embossing folder from Spellbinder. This is a 3D embossing folder. I used Flourish, which is a really pretty embossing folder from Spellbinders. This was with a collaboration with Simon Hurley. I used the peacock motif. This is really pretty. And then the tufted. And the last one is the no-named one because I don't know the name of it. And so I really utilized the embossing folders this time around to kind of be almost like the star of my cards in the background. And from Simple Stories, My Mind Eyes exclusive, this floral bits, it's called Wildflower. It had 55 pieces in here. So I was able to create all my cards except one using these floral bits. Now, I did use a stamp set from Waffle Flower. I cannot find it anywhere. I don't know where it would be. My room is not that big. So I've laid it somewhere or put it up with something I shouldn't have, but I don't have that to share with you. Now, here are the cards that I made. So you can see I used some little jimmies from my stash. I didn't want to just show you all the different packs that I use, but, you know, everybody, has their own jimmies that they use. And then I popped this up with some foam squares from Spellbinders. All the paper that I used is from my stash. It's from Basil paper that I used to get at Joann's. Joanne. I don't know why I said the S on the end. But look at that. That's super pretty. And this was the blue one. And this was the first time I had used the peacock motif. And I think it's really pretty. I hope you can see it there. I think the 3D embossing folders really elevate the card. Look at that. I was going to put some glazing glue here and, but I think this is enough. Now, the last card, I used a bit of floral that I had in my stash. It's from, I think this is, I can't think, maybe Spellbinders, I'm not sure. But I thought, I would put it on the card. This is for her mother. So I wanted it to be special. And it doesn't have Mother's Day on it, so she can leave this up all year long. Even if it did have Mother's Day, she could still do. But I like creating cards sometimes that don't have a specific sentiment on the front and just let you enjoy. It's kind of like a piece of art that you can just enjoy all the time. And then, of course, the sentiment, will be all about Mother's Day. So these are my cards that I made for Mother's Day for my friend, for all the different mothers and daughters, not different mothers, but daughters she has. So let me know what you think before. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.